We're gonna blindfold the kids and they're gonna guess the squishies.
Yeah, I'm a girl.
Stop eating that! I just ordered and got a big bunch of squishies. And I'm super excited. I got like 5 packages, 3 packages of squishies, huge packages. So, oh my gosh, tons and tons of squishies. We're gonna play a squishy game. Do you guys like squishies? So we've had the little squishies. These are like bigger squishies. They're not the giant ones, but they're like good size, like hand and head size squishies. Tell me your favorite squishy because maybe we'll do a big squishy surprise for the kids because someone's birthday is coming up and I think they would like it. We are gonna take one kid at a time, blindfold them, and they're gonna have to guess the squishy. I love this guess this game, okay? So.
Let's guess the squishy.
Oh, look how fun. All right, Evie gets to blindfold first. We are going to play Guess the Squishy. So they're gonna be a food item. So it could be a fruit, could be a vegetable, could be a treat, could be
corn?
Could be anything, okay?
A bag of squishies.
Oh. This is what it is. Let's see if she can guess what it is. Feel it out. What shape is that?
Fries.
Oh my gosh, she totally got it!
Fries!
Hey!
I wanna. Can I have this squishy?
No, okay. Isn't that fun? We're gonna play another game with the squishies.
Can I hold it?
You can hold the squishy. Okay, who's next? I think someone's a little crazy here. Hey, don't make snorty noises. Squishies makes her crazy! All right.
Hi, camera. I'm a girl.
You are a crazy girl. Okay. You have to guess what kind of food item it is, okay?
Wait, can I feel it?
I'm gonna give it to you in just a second.
Why is it called Guess the Squishy?
Because we have to guess the squishy.
Pumpkin.
What? Can you see?
No?
How do you know?
My eyes are closed.
How do you know it was a pumpkin?
Because she's smart.
I am losing this game. Does it smell like pumpkin?
Yeah, it does. But because I can feel the part of it.
The bumps?
And the bumps.
It's crazy. Okay, Shae's up next. Come here, sit down. Shae,
Do it as tight as you can.
can you see?
No, I can't even move my legs.
Remember, it's a food item.
Do you play?
Okay, here you go.
It smells like ramen noodles.
It smells like ramen noodles.
What in the world?
I know, right?
Is it like corn?
No. Remember, squishing it doesn't help. You have to feel what it is.
Chip's not playing it. What is it, Shae? What is it? This is hard. Is it a candy?
No. I'll give you a hint. It's a vegetable.
Is it squash?
No.
Zucchini?
No. Shae lost. It was cabbage. Chinese cabbage at that. I wonder if
That
the girls would
was
know. Okay,
hard.
Wyatt's turn. 1 point for mom, 2 points for the kids. Okay, mom versus kids. Okay, here we go.
What? It's coming up.
Can you see?
No. Well, I can see pitch black.
Okay, here you go.
Hamburger.
What? How is that possible?
It's shaped like a hamburger. But what are these things?
It's his ears. It's a Hello Kitty hamburger.
Oh.
Ready? Let's just get in. Squish it tight.
I want to see the Hello Kitty hamburger. Can I?
Okay. All right. Okay, Tay, sit down. This is Tay. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, here we go. No, it's up here. Okay, you gotta guess what it is. What's it shaped like?
I think it's a cucumber.
No. Your nose is all squished.
Hamburger?
No, hamburgers aren't shaped like that. You can't peek.
I think it's banana.
Close. Shaped like a banana, but it's not that. What if I told you the color?
What color?
It's red.
Red? What's it called? What's it called?
They're a little spicy. Let's see what it is.
I was gonna say that.
It's a pepper.
Pepper.
Oh, I stumped you. Okay, let's see who my next victim is. Klai.
Squishies are my favorite.
So these are ones we've already done. Ugh, that one smells funny. But check this one out. It smells a little sweeter. Ooh, it's nice. All right, here we go. You need to guess the squishy by its shape. I only got food items.
Are we allowed to smell it?
Yep, and
Okay.
squish it. Klai's squishy item.
Huh, it feels like a cup. Is it a cup?
What kind of cup?
What kind? Like, what do you mean by what kind?
What would be in it?
Is it a milkshake?
Nope.
A soda? Like lemonade?
It's a coffee cup. Doesn't even smell like coffee though.
Oh, it does.
All right, next victim. This is true. We're gonna tilt this down so that you're more on camera. Here we go. Okay, describe what you think it is. Hey, what do you think it is? Describe it.
It feels bumpy and like a little stem right here. Feels like corn.
You told, holy cow, she got that real fast. Does it smell like corn though? No. They do. I think they all kind of smell the same, but it's squishy.
Squishy.
All right, Rykel's up. Let's see if she can guess. Here we go. What is it? You have to describe it.
Okay, it smells kind of like a coconut. It's heart-shaped. It has a little crack in the middle.
A butt crack.
You can't tell. There's like nothing to describe this. Round, squishy, heart-shaped and a crack. Can you give me a hint?
It's heart-shaped with a crack. It's pink.
I'm thinking it'd be a box of chocolates, but it is round.
There's no box.
I know.
It's a fruit.
Oh, would it be a peach?
You got it! Look how big it is! Whoa!
Can I see it?
All right, this is our friend Trip. Okay, here we go. Okay, here you go. Hold it up here. What do you think it is?
Banana?
Oh my gosh, these kids are so fast. You got it! It's a banana. Does it smell like a banana? No? I don't know what it smells like. They're funny scented, huh? It's like a perfume. It's like coconut. I think it smells like coconut. Cora's turn again. Yes, that's right, like so. Cora is a little cuckoo for squishies. Here we go. Cora's gonna love this one.
She can see.
Are you peeking?
So she put her head up.
Peeker. What is it? Feel it.
Cake.
You're a cheater! You're a cheater! Did you cheat?
I cheated and I get it.
It's a squishy cake! Okay, look at this. This is so cool.
I'm back again.
What's your favorite squishy, Klai?
So far, I actually have no idea. I haven't seen many squishies, but I would love. I can't choose. They're all like really amazing.
Let's see if she is smart enough to get this one. Okay.
Can I put them?
Keep it above.
Whoa!
this. Keep it above that.
Okay, so it has like a rough top, and it's a circle. Is it a donut?
You got it!
Whoa!
Isn't that the coolest squishy ever?
What is it? Can I smell?
You can't eat it.
Oh, it's...
Stop eating it! We love squishies, and if you love squishies, we are gonna do a ton more games. So comment below what other games we should do with squishies. We have some planned right now that we're probably gonna be filming soon, so you might love this just the same. And got a huge collection of squishies, so this is gonna be really fun. Make sure you can't see. Ready?
It's bumpy on the top. There's flaps.
Flaps. I always like to have flaps in my food.
Feels like there's like tiny bumps right here. Is it bread?
It is bread. Holy cow.
Oh, it is.
Squishy bread.
That was brown.
Rykel's round again. Here's a hard one.
Harder than the peach house. Wow! Is it a banana?
Nope.
Ooh. Smells. Would it be an eggplant or a cucumber?
Eggplant. Holy cow, she got it.
That was easier than the peach.
Okay.
Smells like chocolate.
You may or may not be right. Okay, no peeking.
Sorry. Is it ice cream?
Ice cream. Guess what, guys? He can finally have ice cream.
No, I'm sugar free.
Who loved our squishy game? Okay. What was your favorite squishy?
Peach. Peach, probably.
Ice cream's pretty cool.
Or the bread, because it's like really squishy.
I like the cake because you can go like this. No, not pan.
The bread, I love.
It's so.
All right. If you guys like this video, make sure you comment down below your favorite squishy videos, and we will make some more squishy videos.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.